going to make a kite today. And so we're going to start with a plain piece of paper because we're going to make our kite out of paper. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half because we only want half of this paper. Now make sure that your paper is standing tall. And I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half. Give it a good crease. So again, I took my paper, it was standing tall, I folded it in half, and I'm going to cut my paper now. I'm going to set the other paper aside and I'm going to turn this one again so that it's standing tall. Now, I'm going to take the bottom right corner and I'm going to fold it up to the top right X. So what I'm going to do is I take the bottom right corner, or you could do it the other side too, that's fine. This will work. So take that, fold it to the X, and crease it. Ready? So take the bottom right, fold it to the X, and crease it. Again, one more time. Take the bottom right, fold it to the opposite side, opposite, and then crease it. Okay. Now we have this part of the paper left right here, so I'm just gonna kind of draw a line here. And we're not going to use this part of the paper anyway, so I'm just going to put a messy color in here so that I can see it when I unfold it. Now what I'm going to do is just fold this piece of paper over the edge. So now I take it and I fold it. So again, take it and fold it. Now what we need to do is we need to take our paper and we need to flip it. Ready? So take your paper and flip it. Ready? Take your paper and flip it. Okay, now that you flipped it, we don't want this section of the paper right here. So I'm going to make another line. And again, it doesn't matter because we're going to cut the part that I'm coloring on. We are going to cut that off. Okay, so I colored that. And now I'm going to fold it over the edge and give it a good crease. And it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm gonna unfold this, and now can you see the diamond shape in it? Can you see? Here's one edge, another edge, a third edge, and a fourth edge. So I'm going to cut the color pieces off. And then I'm gonna cut the other colored piece off. And now we have a diamond for our kite. So we will add more parts to this in just a second, but let's get this diamond shape first. Have fun.